Ever swipe on your Samsung keyboard by accident and ended up moving the cursor or typing random word? Here's how to turn off the swipe gesture completely. First, open any app where you can type, like when you are writing a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe thoughts and feedback. Tap keyboard swipe controls. And then select no swipe gestures. This disables features like swipe to type or cursor control. Now go back to your note. Try swiping across the keyboard. Instead of gliding to type or moving the cursor, it will simply type the last letter your finger ends on. You can use this setting if you keep triggering cursor mode accidentally, prefer tapping each key instead of swiping, or want the keyboard to behave as simply as possible. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.